In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks in Notion, Life OS. We're going to walk through a simple way to get started with a Life OS template in Notion, so you can organize your tasks in one central place. I'll guide you from opening the Notion marketplace, to finding the right template, to adding it to your workspace so you can start using it right away. First, open Notion on your computer. You can do this either in your browser or in the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look for the marketplace. Depending on your version of Notion, this might appear as templates or marketplace in the left sidebar or in the top navigation. The marketplace is where people share ready-made setups, and it's the easiest way to build a Life OS without starting from a blank page. Go ahead and click on the marketplace. This will open a new page with a search bar at the top and lots of featured templates below. Think of this as a library of pre-built systems you can plug into your workspace. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type in Life OS. Be sure to spell it correctly as two words, LIFE space OS. Then press enter. Notion will now filter the list and show you all templates related to Life OS. These are usually all-in-one dashboards that combine tasks, goals, notes, and more into a single organized system. Scroll through the results until you see a Life OS template that matches what you're looking for. Many of them will mention task management, productivity, or daily planning in the description. Take a moment to read the short overview that appears with each result. This helps you choose a template that focuses on tasks as a core part of the system rather than something that's purely for journaling or content planning. Once you've found a Life OS template you like, click on it to open the full details. Here you'll see a preview of the pages and databases included, along with a more detailed description of how it works. This is a good time to quickly check that it includes a task database, a dashboard, and any views that match your style, like a calendar or a Kanban board. When you're ready to use it, look for the button that says Add or Duplicate, and click on it. Notion will copy the entire Life OS template into your own workspace. After a few seconds, you'll see it appear in your sidebar as a new page or set of pages. From here, you can start customizing it, rename sections, adjust properties, and begin adding your own tasks. You now have a Life OS framework inside Notion that you can grow and refine as you go.